One of the main design benefits of integrating Vault and Fusion Lifecycle is the bidirectional flow of data, such as change management, lifecycle status, and quality management for closed-loop traceability. By integrating PDM with PLM, actions in the CAD environment can be populated into PLM, and CAD users can dynamically query PLM for critical information. Autodesk's integration of PDM with PLM gives engineering the ability to make fully informed design decisions based on all relevant engineering and corporate data, including your bill of materials. This seamless integration helps companies keep their entire product teams in sync, while everyone in the product development process has visibility earlier in the design cycle to make sure decisions match the overall project goals and requirements. With Autodesk's integration of Vault and Lifecycle, companies can be assured that their product and engineering data work together as a unified system. Autodesk offers today's innovative manufacturers a streamlined design solution that's the best of both worlds. Choose Autodesk to provide you with the enterprise-wide visibility needed to lower design costs, reduce risks, and accelerate time to market for maximum business results. Experience the benefits of Vault plus Fusion integration.